Grabe. Usay nga tanan. Pati mga gwapo, naton mga kalalakinan. Waray na lang nga niya ako kikita. Grabe talaga. You know, I am just so proud that Giwan, nag-level up na kita. Diri nakitaan mga taga-baryo. We have leveled up and kinikita yan na hiton quality, hiton aton mga shows. The Honorable Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Giwan, Veronica Cabacaba Ramirez, members of the Sangguniang Bayan, mga katrabaho ko sa munisipyo, nga kundiin kami iton nagdudumara, iton patron niya na in honor of the Lady of the Holy Rosary, honored members of the Board of Judges, devotees of the Holy Rosary, dear candidates, mga hinigugma ko nga giwananon, mga bisita, one and all, maupay nga gabi, hayo nga tanan. Tonight is the 8th night and celebration of our feast in honor of our beloved Lady of the Most Holy Rosary. Our Blessed Virgin Mother has always protected us, Giwananons, over the years and years nga naabot at mga kalamidad, mga kakurian, including the many devastating typhoons that visited our shores and destroyed our houses or our homes. She is always there to lead us through dark days into the light of her love and grace. It is therefore fitting that we give her our thanks by way of honoring her every day and most especially during her fiesta. The event tonight is one of the highlights, Ginoong Giwan and Miss Giwan 2024. Siring pa, ini ang babantayan, pinakahihintay po ng lahat. The crowd is just so huge. This is a celebration of culture, creativity, and community. And of course, we celebrate the strength and beauty of the men and women who represent the heart and soul of Giwan and every Giwananon. Each of our candidates embodies not only grace and elegance, but also intelligence, resilience, and the unique stories that make up the rich fabric of our town. They have already proven that they have what it takes to lead, to inspire, and to bring pride to our beloved hometown, Giwan. We are showcasing tonight the beauty of Giwan, the gift from the Almighty, not just our place, but most importantly, our people, the Giwananons. Let us be proud of who we are. Let us be proud of our heritage. And of course, let us be proud of our identity. The essence of most beauty pageant is to celebrate the totality of the beauty of a woman and a man. This, however, goes beyond looks, but to project such qualities as intelligence, confidence, poise, charm, among others. Recognition, personal development, communication skills, confidence, and handling distress, pressure, and disappointments. I am sure, just watching them tonight, how they carry themselves, these beautiful women and handsome guys, I know that they are winners in their own right. I thank from the bottom of my heart the organizers who have sweat it out day and night Dandan Velasco, you did it well. And his team. And the Office of the Municipal Administrator headed by Ms. Kinamay Gonzalez Kwan. Of course, I would like to especially mention the LGBTQ plus community of Giwan. Sharing so much talent on arts and the like. I really salute you, mga LGBTQ. Saludo talaga ko iyo for all your efforts and what you can do. And of course, to those I failed to mention, my congratulations to all of you for a job very well done. I thank the parents of our candidates for sharing their resources, love and support, giving consent to their children. Your kindness make a lot of difference to make our fiesta celebration a successful and happy one. Salamat gihapon na naton provincial government through Governor Benny Bardoni, iyagin pahuram haaton ni Red Wall, and so many other donations. And of course, I would like also to give my big thanks to Mayor Dayan Agda of the City of Borongan for this very huge tent, this giant tent. Gimpahuram la ini haaton han City of Borongan through Mayor Dayan Agda. Damot na siring haakon, Mayor, palit gad kita in paruhini. Nasiring naman ako nga, mahal man God. Pero maabot gihapon iton, makakapalit gihapon kita hini. And of course, I would like also to thank the 4-piece party list of Congressman Nonoy Libanan through Mayor Sheen Gonzales. Thank you also to the sponsors and the donors. Indeed, gimbuburubligan ngani, maupay good it ningangadtuan. Of course, sugad man liwat han mga handlers sini. Ang mga handlers sini kabataan. Again, mga LGBTQ+. I have my highest regard to your community for sharing so much talent on arts. I thank also those who in one way or the other made this pageant possible and for sharing themselves in our fiesta celebration. Ngadton amon mga bisita, ngan mga kasangkayan, anamon kinasing-kasing nga pag-welcome haiyo dinhi Giwan. Kami nga mga officials, ngan empleyado ang munisipyo ang Giwan, kamit mga nangunguna, kamit hermanos ngan hermana. Sanglit, uswag kamo nga dihagiwan, kumbidado kamo namon nga tanan. Pati tagsa nga mga balay dinihagiwan, pwede kamo manmatron. Waray, diri, pwede magpasulod. Kinahanglan ito yung mga portahan, mga tagagiwan. We are known for our kindness. We are known for our humanity. We are known hitaton hospitality. Sanglit, pasudla naton, ngan pakaunon, ngan atimanon, itaton mga bisita. I would also like to invite you all, hiton fiesta, hiton disperas, may naton bisita, hi Congresswoman Camille Villar, hiton disperas, after hiton parade, may nagihapon naton bangkita or banquet or luncheon didto ha gym. Invited ko kabungatanan. Pagkagabi, may dasaraya o vesper dance. Ngan pagkabuwas, after the pontifical mass, I am also again invited you to a lunch didto ha gym. Amid the busy schedules and time spent so much on cell phones and other gadgets, let us give time and fall into our knees and continue, or for those who have forgotten, rekindle the Catholic devotion of praying the Holy Rosary. For it is through the Rosary that we become the grace from the Lord through His Mother. Through this grace, we will forge on to see the world a better place for all of us, a better Giwan for all of us. To our candidates, I say, embrace your uniqueness and let it shine on this stage. Good luck, congratulations, maupay nga patron, haton nga tanan, Giwan, bung tutahi gugmata, padayon lak kita giwananon. Damo nga salamat tayo nga tanan.
Thank you so